Folks, a mild day across the valley. Temperatures staying just a little bit below the norm for this time of year. Our normal high is 71. We've been running mid to upper 60s in most locations. 64 Weslaco right now. 63 Harlingen, Port Isabel, Raymondville. 65 at this hour in Brownsville. The dew points are down, so the air really is pretty comfortable despite all that cloud cover out there. Overnight tonight, our lows are going to drop down to around 50 or so, give or take a couple, depends on where you are. Warmer readings near the coast, cooler north and west at about 49. Could be a brief shower overnight, best chance of that'll be close to the coast. Now tomorrow, mid-60s, that's it. So a lot like today, maybe even a degree or two cooler in many locations. The norm for this time of year, again, is 71. Not going to make it tomorrow, probably won't make it Thursday. Friday, maybe back above normal for a day or two, but not by very much. So really some pretty comfortable days out there. Normal for us this time of year is pretty good. Look at all the cloud cover. There's a lot of it today. The clouds broke for a while last night, then the high clouds really rolled in overnight. Watching a few showers off to the west in the mountains, most of them dying as they come down out of the mountains because that air really dries as it gets close to the surface. So we end up with low humidity and most of that evaporating before it gets here. Over the next day or two, though, that'll change. I think the atmosphere moistens up. Could be a brief passing shower late tonight and early tomorrow. Best chance for that will be, again, near the coast. Farther inland, your chances are a little bit less, but the clouds, they're not going away. Tomorrow's going to be another overcast day, a lot like today, as will Thursday. And I think by Thursday, we're adding enough moisture to the atmosphere that I think there's a slightly better chance for a few showers. But even at that, you're looking at nothing widespread. You're looking at a brief passing shower in a few spots, wets the streets and the sidewalks. Nobody gets more than about 1/10 of an inch of rain, except maybe right at the immediate coastline where you could pick up as much as 1/4 of an inch. But I think that's over the course of 3 or 4 days, so no big rainstorms at all. 20% tomorrow, then 30% Thursday and Friday. Most active areas, again, will be within a few miles of the coastline. Around the rest of Texas tonight, it's a little chilly in the Panhandle. Dalhart's 47, but Dallas is 60, Austin 62, same thing in San Antonio. The clouds are confined to our part of the state because of the big low off to the west of us. That gets closer. If that was going to come straight at us, our rain chances would really go through the roof. But instead of coming our direction, it lifts to the northeast, and that leaves us with clouds, but not much in the way of rainfall. Next front due in the area Saturday night, early Sunday. Some of the models indicate that could trigger a shower, thunder shower when it gets through, but I think the chances are pretty small even with that. But I think behind that front, we should get some sunshine back in here, at least a little bit for Sunday. So tonight, mainly cloudy and cool, a low of about 51, northeast winds. Tomorrow back to 64, but clouds dominate, isolated showers. Best chance will be near the coast. Here you go, a couple of 64s, then a 74. Saturday up to 76, still clouds, maybe a brief shower. Saturday night, the next front comes in, not a big front. We're still 68 on Sunday, but maybe some sunshine, some for Sunday, Monday, and again on Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.